Good morning, dear students. So let's start our computer subject lesson number 2, web searching. So today we are going to learn in the part 2 how to do searching. So with the help of internet you can find out few things. For example, on page number 22 it is given open this site www.google.com website. Okay, that is www.google.com, one type of website. On doing so, Google search engine, you can see this type of screen on your monitor. Okay, here this is the search box where here it is given Google search. You type any word or any topic, okay, and then you have to press this and you will get information regarding your search topic. Okay, so this is the screen, and for example you are searching for the Siberian birds. Okay, you are typing your Siberian birds, so here you will get regarding their data, pics, everything. On next screen is that. Okay, so you will able to open this screen after before typing in the search box. Okay, when you in the search box you type any word or a topic, here it is given Siberian birds, this type of screen will open. Okay, so this is a short example. Now searching a picture. Okay, this was the regarding about the bird. Now you want any particular picture. Okay, for example picture, same process. There was Google Net and Google site, and here we are using Yahoo website. Okay, both website. For here it is given www.yahoo.com website. Okay, see, keep in mind that was Google and this is Yahoo. In both you can get the home page of yahoo.com website. This is the search box. Okay, here one type of, you can say, magnified lens. Which website? Yahoo. Okay, here you can type any particular name of the picture. Okay, so here will be the screen. Okay, enter key, that is just enter key from the keyboard, and if you type tallest building of the world and press enter key, so you will see the picture regarding the tallest building. So here are the few names given. Okay, name of the place where you can see. So images also if you want to see regarding data, everything. And here are the pictures also, image, when you keep image option, so you will see picture, you can say one type of image of the shortest building. So for project work you can do this all things. Now we will learn about encyclopedia website. What is the encyclopedia website? Publisher of many famous encyclopedias have provided facilities to use their encyclopedia on their website. So here are the few internet encyclopedia website, that is wikipedia.org, and here it is given britannica.com, encyclopedia.com, and bartleby.com. Okay, so information from this encyclopedia, you have to visit their website to find any detail, a long detail, we can say one type of a large instruction information you can get from this website. And next one is searching information on Wikipedia. For example, you are searching over this wikipedia.org. So same thing, here is the screen. Okay, you will get on your monitor. Okay, type in the search box www.wikipedia.org. okay, enter key, and this type of screen will appear. So same thing, data you received, picture also you received. So we will do next thing is that after this is the information. Okay, so in short everything is given. For example, if you need regarding instruction or information, information for the flag of India. Okay, so in Wikipedia you will get in detail flag of India, picture, and white tricolor, white this Ashoka Chakra, everything you will get in detail information. Now here it is given, you can use dictionary also. How to use dictionary? That is searching a meaning in English to English dictionary, that also with the help of net connection. So same thing, in the search box you want oxforddictionary.com English. Okay, enter key, here you are typing any word. Okay, when you open, one type of screen will appear, and here you type any word. Okay, and you will get detail over here, mean of that word. So in this example, everything is shown that what you can do with the help of search box and a particular website. Okay, see, this is the sign of audio icon. You can say icon for the audio. Wisdom word, you find out how to spell and how to write. Okay, so everything regarding that it is given in the dictionary. Okay, and here it is given next after English, Hindi dictionary. Same thing, search box, www.shabdkosh.com. any dictionary you can type. Here it is example given, Shabdkosh. For detail, here it is given shabdkosh.com and collinsdictionary.com are two popular websites that provides English to Hindi dictionary. You type any English word and you will get answer in Hindi. Okay, so that is the thing. Type it, screen will appear. Okay, for example, word of the day, quote of the day, and here it is English and Hindi. Okay, so this all things you can use with the help of search box. And here we end over this chapter, and we will do regarding this exercise of the textbook. Thank you students, have a nice day.